Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a password-protected PDF file in 2026. See, I have a PDF file. I want to protect this PDF document. Go to your browser and go to this link. Click PDF Security. Click Protect PDF. Click Select PDF File. Type your desired password. Then click Protect PDF. Click Download Protected PDFs. See, the PDF is password protected successfully. That's it. Enjoy. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.